Hello everyone, some great news about recent research on the coronavirus. So, especially here in India, we had enough time to study the virus because it came from Wuhan to Europe and then there was a while before it reached India. So, the genome sequencing of the virus has been done. And the great news, what we have received from this is that there is only a single mutation, and that to a very weak mutation which is present on the spike protein. So what is the spike protein? The spike protein is that part of the virus which actually attaches to the human cell. So when it is such a weak attachment and only a single mutation, then the infection or the effects of the virus are not so severe. So there is no need to really go into fear or panic mode, because honestly, other than this, the other factor is what is even present in Harrison's textbook of internal medicine is once you have a certain RNA virus, whether it is SARS or MERS or the other coronaviruses, the swine flu, you can have dengue, other things, which is so prevalent in India and other parts. So we also have an immunity automatically to other RNA viruses. So there's no need to again panic. And MIT has a really interesting study which says that above 32 degrees, the virus cannot survive for prolonged periods at this temperature. So with the Indian summer and the heat of the month of May setting in, I think that's great news for us. This doesn't mean don't observe social distancing and forget about everything. All I'm saying is that rather than get into fear and panic and lower your immunity, because mental health at this time is super important. Someone from Portugal had a lovely question for me saying, how do we address the anxiety and fear what we have at this time? A simple trick, and the most important one is exercise. Make sure you exercise every day, because that can boost your immune system more than anything else. If you cannot go out, even have some music, exercise indoors, do yoga, whatever appeals to you. So stock up on vitamins. Remember I said A, B, C, D from the sun, vitamin E, as well as probiotics, and minerals like copper and zinc, again, very important for immunity. So all these together, and keeping your, remember, no matter, even if you're 80 years old, don't be afraid, because they tell you that just because you're old is going to get you. No, not at all. It's not the physical, it's really not how old or the biological age, but your physical age. If you have been playing tennis every day, if you have been active, you have been of service, helping people, eating healthy food, you don't have other risk factors, you really don't need to panic or worry, even if you're old. Because I can see a lot of old people in the UK. I know all of you are going into a sort of depression because of this, but really, I know you're healthy and super strong. So keep exercising, eating healthy, stay positive, and don't believe it when they tell you 18 months towards the closest vaccine. Impossible. This is not how science works. I know many scientists who are already working on both cures as well as vaccines. And definitely once the trials are over, you will have both a cure and a vaccine much faster. So get ready to enjoy life as it was before the corona, because it will only get much better after. Thank you so much.